launched a mindfulness collection in late 2021. I think a lot of folks, realized that these virtual experiences are here to stay and wanted some options that were outside of food and beverage, which is what we had started with and what we grew quite a bit. Our mindfulness collection has several different options in it right now, and I think we'll have more to come as we move further into the year. But I will say the one that has been most popular in that category is work from home mobility. This is a great experience for teams that are working remotely and need some ideas on how to combat tech neck and Zoom fatigue. So it's led by Steven, who's a former MMA fighter, and he has a very holistic approach to his experiences. So he's teaching you all different sorts of stretching techniques, posture techniques that all can be done with you don't need any equipment. We send you what you need. So there's a resistance band in there. We have the K-tape that you see a lot of athletes using. There's also electrolytes and a water bottle. So some fun little add-ons for your at-home desk. Also great because this is a hybrid experience. So if you do have some folks that are in the office a few days or whatever that looks like, it's something that can be done from anywhere, and it's super helpful because I know I am definitely guilty of, working a lot of the days at my desk, going for a walk, maybe a couple hours back on, sitting all cross-legged on the couch and feeling the effects of that at the end of the day. So it's a great experience.